Volaris 919er, lost center runway 24 left, minus a weight.
Line up on 1 runway 24 left, Volaris 9019er.
Southwest 4923, cross runway 24 left, underground 0.65.
South 24 left, ground 65 it is, let's bring that to Thanks. Tower Delta 1085, you got a cart coasting on Echo 7 here towards the runway.
Oh, I see it, thanks.
Tower from Volaris 919er.
919er, just hold in position, we're going to have to get somebody to go get that.
Okay.
Volaris right now, you might want to shut down your engines there.
Volaris, this is Aero 4. You catch the cart in right engine. It seems you need to switch off your right engine immediately.
Okay, we stop the engine number 2, thank you.
Thank you.
Tower 7, you request that for runway deck away. Tower 7, you request that for runway deck away.
CF70, proceed runway 24 left.
Tower Delta Bravo inbound
Volaris 919, verify your engine shut down.
Yeah, our engine is shut down and we have no fire. So we have some ground crew here.
Okay, thank you.
Tower sure, runway 24 left close.
Tower Bravo inbound
Delta 1203, lost center runway 24 right, clear to land.
24 right, clear land, that's forward.
Skywest 5508, can pull up the numbers for runway 24 right.
And we're already doing that, Skywest 55 wait. Tower off 70, please show 24 left close. This aircraft does have damage. Please show 24 left close.
Okay, we'll show 24 left close.
Thank you, we'll get him out here as soon as we can.
Delta 964, can you make the turn at Echo 7?
Yeah, I think we can make the turn there, Delta 964.
Yeah, make the left turn there at Echo 7.
And where do you want us to go?
Yeah, but you'll go onto the runway and then a right turn at Victor and hold turn runway 24 right and pull those numbers up.
Okay, we'll pull up 24 right and we'll make the left turn here and right onto Victor over 24 right, Delta 964.
Delta 1085.
Go for 1085?
Delta, yeah, follow your company there at Echo 7 and then left on the runway right at Victor, short of runway 24 right.
Okay, we'll follow company to 24 right, Delta 1085.
Delta 1085, roger, and pull those numbers up.
We'll do.
And Skywest 550, you can make the left turn at Victor, short of 24 left.
Short of 24 left at Victor, Skywest 5508. Hey, Tower off 70, can you have the Volaris call me on 12345, please?
We'll go.
Thank you.
American 192 Heavy is about 4 from Jetson.
American 192 Heavy, Los Angeles Tower, wind 25030, gust 36, runway 24 right, clear to land.
24 right, clear to land, American 192 Heavy.
Ground, this is Aero 4, 107 Heavy. We are on Echo 6, just behind the Volaris.
Yes, I know that, sir. We got to figure out how we're going to get you out of there.
Tower from Volaris 919er, we remain this frequency?
Well, I want contact, yeah, for now, but also contact the city ops guy on 123.45.
123.45, Volaris 919er.
Delta 964, let me know when you have the numbers and you're ready.
Yeah, we're having a problem picking them up. We're talking to the company right now, see if we can push them to us.
Tower Delta 1085, we're ready to go in sequence.
Delta 1085, thank you. Delta 964.
964, go ahead.
Yeah, it's going to be, I want to take you down the runway next to you at Victor and bring you back around.
That hurts, but I understand.
Okay, so you still waiting, correct?
Yes, sir.
So now, okay, proceed on runway 24 left, taxi down the runway to Whiskey. Turn left at Whiskey. There's traffic on a 5-mile final.
Okay, hustle down to Whiskey on 24 right. It's Delta 964.
Skywest 550, you can cross runway 24 left, hold turn runway 24 right.
Cross 24 left, hold short 24 right, we've got numbers, Scott 55 way.
930, still waiting on numbers?
United 935, we're just waiting for a landing clearance.
Not you, sir. Skywest 5508, are you still waiting on your numbers?
We have numbers.
Okay, Scott 5508, thanks. Hold turn with 24 right.
Sir, 24 right, Scott 5508.
United 935 heavy, winds 25029er, gust 35, runway 24 right, little end.
Little end 24 right, 935 heavy.
Tower City up to 89.
CF is at 89?
Affirmative. Hopefully we'll get this guy out of your way here momentarily on 24 left. We're just waiting for an all clear from the FAA duty.
Okay.
Ground, this is Aeroflot 107. How long does it take?
It shouldn't be too much longer, Air France. There's nothing we can do. Airflot.
Tower from Volaris 19er.
Volaris 919er.
We're ready to taxi, we have the engine 1 running.
City op 70.
Tower up 70, clear, 24 left at Echo 7, the Volaris is ready to taxi.
Thank you. Southwest 8834, turn left onto reverse, cross runway 24 left, traffic on the runway be taxi only. Contact ground point 65.
Zulu, cross the left and over to ground. Excuse me. You left turn Yankee and then cross her Zulu.
Volaris 919er, Roger, you can taxi down the runway, turn left at Victor, then a right on Echo.
Victor and left on Echo, Volaris 19er.
Tower up 70, show 24 left open, thanks again.
CF7, Roger, 24 left open.